So Andrew, we've got a couple of bowls of oysters here. Tell me what I need to know about them.
These are locals. These are harvested right out there off Moreton Island. They're a fantastic oyster. They're a rock oyster. There are about 5 or 6 different varieties. Commercially, there's probably only 3 different varieties that we see, but that's a rock, and they were commonly called Sydney rock oysters. Now they're just a rock oyster. And these are Pacific. They're actually an introduced species from Japan. They're a feral species which are farmed in the colder waters of Tasmania and down south and stuff. They're a bigger oyster, much more meaty. All right, I've opened 2. Away you go down the hatch.
Natural.
The best way to eat is to eat the liquid in it. Just put it straight in your mouth and chew. You got to get that flavour. It's perfect if you're out in your boat or anywhere else. Just a little bit of this Japanese seaweed. You can buy it. It's a seaweed sesame salad. Splash of good quality soy sauce. A little bit of sweet chilli.
So 3 ingredients, simple.
That's it. That's it. So all I do with that is I just top the oyster. Really, really quickly. So that's a Tassie one. It's nice for a very, very quick dish. I just love it. I love the texture, the crunch you get with the seaweed, the roasted sesame flavours, and that little bit of chilli with the oysters is just my favourite.
Adds that little bit of zing, doesn't it?